Hello guys, please like and share this video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.
Can you guess what thread binds Aryabhata's discovery of zero and pi to Valmiki's Ramayana? Or what is common between Kalidasa's great work Abhigyana Shakuntala, Devaki Nandan Khatri's Chandrakanta, and Vidyapati Thakur's epic poems? Well, all these great legends hail from the ancient land of Bihar. Where did it all start, you may ask? The year was 321 BC. Indian Emperor Chandragupta Maurya, under the guidance of the political genius Chanakya, established the Maurya dynasty in Magadha. Later, Ashoka pushed the boundaries of Magadha into Persia and Central Asia, Afghanistan to present-day Bangladesh, from Assam to Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. And thus, the first ever dynasty of India and the biggest empire in the world was established. Bihar derives its modern name from the Baudh mutts of Magadha called Vihar. These mutts were established when the great Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment in Bodh Gaya. Bihar boasts of a rich spiritual and religious history. According to Hindu mythology, Mata Sita, the consort of Lord Rama, was born here. Jain Dharma's last Tirthkar Mahavira was born in Kundagram in modern Hajipur of Vaishali district. He is said to have attained enlightenment in Pavapuri. There was a popular belief among people that a ruler who would lead the Sikhs as a brave warrior was destined to be born here. And true to this belief, a leader was born on the banks of the holy Ganges, now Patna Sahib. This leader was Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru of the Sikhs. Bihar is known for protests for its own rights. The protest against monarchy. Bihar is the first region in the world that challenged monarchy and came up with a new administrative pattern called Ganatantra or democracy. The first democracy came into existence in Vaishali Ganarajya, modern Hajipur district in Bihar. Protest against the Mughal rulers. During the Mughal era, a young warrior from Sasaram in Bihar promised to chase away the Mughals from the Indian boundaries. The brave Sher Shah, who got his name by cutting a line into two halves in one stroke, later chased away the Mughal Emperor Humayun. Modern-day custom duty, the Grand Trunk Road, the existing method of buying and selling land, the postal service, Rupaya currency, all are given to us by the great Sher Shah from Bihar. Protest against the Britishers. Gandhiji's world-famous Satyagraha movement evolved in the Champaran district of Bihar. When India got freedom, Bihar gave the country its first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Even the Ashoka Chakra, part of the national emblem, comes from Bihar. After independence, Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan, through his Sampurna Kranti, challenged the biggest political party, the Congress. 1977 saw the formation of the first non-Congress government in India. With 38 districts, Bihar is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh to its west, Nepal to the north, West Bengal to the east, and Jharkhand to the south. The capital city of Patna was originally called Pataliputra. The Mahatma Gandhi Setu joins Patna with North Bihar. Bihar has a diverse climate and thanks to the Ganges River has a vast stretch of fertile plains. Hindi and Urdu are the official languages of this state. Majority of the people speak one of the Bihari languages: Maithili, Angika, Magadhi, or Bhojpuri. Bihar has produced a number of writers and scholars. Prominent among them are Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, Baba Nagarjun, Phanishwarnath Renu, and many others. Since the late 1970s, due to political negligence, Bihar started losing its glory and lagged behind the other Indian states in social and economic development. Floods worsened the situation. According to available data, 16.5% of the total flood-affected area in India is in Bihar. Nepal opens the shutters of the Koshi Barrage pool to protect the Koshi River Dam. This causes waterlogging in the Gangetic plains of Bihar, which on an annual basis destroys thousands of human lives, apart from livestock and assets worth millions. But despite all this, the people of Bihar don't allow these difficulties to bog their spirits down. It is entirely due to their indomitable courage that today Bihar is one of the largest producers of vegetables. Muzaffarpur is famous for its Shahi Lichi, education and lakh bangles. Besides, Bihar is also the third largest producer of pineapple and major producer of mango, banana, guava, sugarcane and jute. Bhagalpur is an important centre for silk garments. Darbhanga is now known globally for the Mithila paintings. Mithila painting is a unique style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila, Darbhanga and the Madhubani regions of Bihar. In this style of painting, powdered rice is coloured and then stuck to the mud walls of houses. It is said that Mithila paintings originated during the Ramayana, when King Janak commissioned artists to paint during the marriage of his daughter Sita to Lord Ram. The painting was traditionally done on the freshly plastered mud walls of huts. But now, it is also done on cloth, handmade paper and canvas. Bihar is truly a tourist's delight. The Mahabodhi temple in Bodh Gaya, where Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment, is considered a fine example of Indian brickwork. This style of architecture highly influenced later architectural traditions. The stately Sher Shah tomb, which Sher Shah built for himself at Sasaram, is one of the finest architectures of India. It is considered a culmination of the Sultanate architecture and a starting point for the Mughal architecture developed later. Sher Shah, during his time, gave shelter to Sufi saints and other Islamic scholars. Kesaria is the location of the world's largest Buddhist stupa. Sonpur Cattle Fair is the biggest cattle fair of Asia. Here, almost every kind of domestic animal is bought and sold.
सांप देखिएगा, हिंदू भाई प्रणाम करना, मुसलमान भाई देखना सलाम करना। हमको नहीं, सांप को देवता मानते हैं। तो आज सांप उठा लो, हाथ कर लो प्रणाम, घमंड ना कर। बोलो भाई, जिंदा है कि मर गया? जिंदा है। ये सांप नहीं है, वही रबड़ है। सांप नहीं है, वही रबड़ है। आप दिन में जा रहे हैं चाहे रात में जा रहे हैं, ऐसा सांप अगर जो रास्ते में बैठा है, आप नहीं देखे, पैर पड़ जाएगा, तो बोलो भाई क्या करेगा? काटेगा। मुँह से बोलिए, भाई बाबा धाम का प्रसाद अगर जो आपका पास में रहेगा ना, एगो नहीं 1 लाख सांप जंगल वाला पैर के नीचे दबेगा, बाकी काटेगा। बोलो ऐसा सांप से जान बच जाता, काम धर्म का होगा कि पाप धर्म का? मुँह से बोलिए। धर्म नाम जानते हैं तो निकालो 2 रुपया अपने हाथों में। कौन आदमी निकाले? ऐसे दिखलाइए।
Nalanda University is said to be the world's first university. This university attracted scholars and students from as far as Tibet, China, Greece and Persia. Nalanda University was destroyed by Bakhtiyar Khilji in 1193. The great library of Nalanda University was so vast that it is reported to have burned for 3 months after the invaders set fire to it. Historians consider this to be the demise of the ancient Indian scientific thought in mathematics, astronomy, alchemy and anatomy. Gaya. It is believed that this place has been blessed by purificatory powers. Hindus traditionally come here to perform Pinddan to honor their parents and ancestors. People also participate in a massive get-together and perform the final rites of their departed family members to free them from the agonies of hell and send them to heaven. Bihar places great importance on tradition and culture. Celebration of festivals in Bihar is a great experience. The songs, dance and bonding are a reflection of its amazing past. Considered the god of energy and life force, the sun is worshipped with great fervour during the Chhath festival, celebrated twice a year in the months of October-November and March-April. Chhath is the only festival when the setting sun is worshipped. The rituals of the festival are observed over a period of 4 days. The first day is called Nahai Khai, which means bathe and eat. The second day is Karna, which signifies a fast for the whole day. The third day is Sanjay Arghya, or evening offerings. Kosi Bharan in the evening. Lighted earthen lamps are kept under a canopy of 5 sugarcane sticks. The 5 sticks signify the human body made of the Pancha Tattva, the 5 great elements: earth, water, fire, air and ether. The fourth day is the Sabirva Ghat, or the morning offerings. This is when the women break their fast. Witnessing Chhath being celebrated at the crack of dawn on a riverbank makes for a beautiful, enriching spiritual experience that connects those witnessing it to their ancient cultural roots. Here, the brother-sister relation is celebrated with full fervour. It is during the winter season that the birds from the Himalayas migrate towards the plains. With the arrival of these colourful birds, celebration of the Sama Chakwa begins in Mithila. Girls make clay idols of various birds and decorate them in their own traditional ways. After various rituals, the festival joyfully culminates with a wish that these birds come back the following year as well. On Raksha Bandhan, sisters tie rakhis on their brothers' wrists and pray for their prosperity. Brothers in turn promise to protect sisters during all odds. Bhai Dooj is celebrated by Hindus on the second day of the Shukla Paksh, or the bright fortnight of the Hindu month of Kartika. Sisters apply a red tika on their brother's forehead. Legend has it that Yamraj, the god of death, visited his sister Yami on this particular day. She put the auspicious tilak on his forehead and fed him with special dishes. That was the day when Yamraj announced that anyone who receives tilak from his sister will never be defeated. The sister, whose brother lives far away from her, sends her sincerest prayers through the moon god. This is the reason why affectionately the moon is called Chanda Mama, or mother's brother. Makar Sankranti, also known as Til Sankranti, marks the beginning of the summer season. People start their day by worshipping and putting til, that is sesame seeds, into fire, followed by eating dahi chuda, til ka laddu, mudi ka laddu, kasar, tilkut, etc. Women prepare these treats in groups. Colourful kites can be seen flying in the sky. At night, a special khichdi is made, and hence the festival is also referred to as khichdi. Khichdi ke char yaar, chokha, papad, ghee, achar, goes the joyful chant during this festival. Holi.
होलिया के आइल बा बहार भौजी हो छछने देवरवा होलिया के आइल बहार
The festival of colors is also called Fagua in Bihar. Burning of wood called Holika Dahan, putting colors on each other, dancing, singing holy folk songs in the street and distributing sweets mark the occasion. Drinking, teasing and fun is allowed. The fragrance of Malpua, Kadibari and Thandai fill the air. Youngsters seek the blessings of elders by putting gulal on their feet. On Nag Panchami, people worship Nag Devta at the break of dawn. In the afternoon, the youth set off on a procession on the streets. They bring out all ancient and traditional weapons such as swords, gada, lathi, bhala, and many others. This is a treat to watch out for. During Durga Puja or Dasara, the old and young participate in local fairs and a mammoth procession marks the immersion of the idol of goddess Durga. Shravan has come and it is time to worship Lord Shiva.
हाथी ना घोड़ा ना कोनो सवारी पैदल ही आइबो तोर दुआरी ए भोलेनाथ
Bol Bam. This chanting can be heard at any nook and corner in Bihar. People worship Baba Baidyanath at Baba Dham, which is now located in Jharkhand. Devotees take water from the holy Ganges in Sultanpur of Bihar. After covering long distances on foot, they pour the holy Ganga water on the revered Shivlinga. People carry the sacred waters of the Ganga on their shoulders in a cover. The people of Bihar believe that Vishwakarma is the god of all machinery. Hence, they worship Vishwakarma. This is similar to the Ayudha Puja in Karnataka. Several other festivals are celebrated with equal enthusiasm. Basant Panchami, Shivratri, Deepavali, Eid, Bakrid, Christmas, and many more. Festivals in Bihar are incomplete without the traditional delicious cuisines. A typical Bihari thali has rice, roti, sabji, dals, achar, chutney, and milk products. Litti chokha. Powdered baked gram is mixed with chopped onions, green chilies, lemon juice and coriander leaves. This mixture is filled inside atta, that is dough, and either barbecued over coal or deep fried with oil. Khaja, similar to patties, but sweet in taste. It is also sometimes salty and has no fillings. The most famous one is from Silao, Nalanda. Pitha, similar to momos. It could either be salty or sweet. It is made of soft rice flour and filled with preparations of channa dal, that is lentil paste, and then steamed in milk or water. Tilkut or til barfi. Tilkut or til barfi is made of sesame seeds and is available only in winters. Although available all over the state, the one from Gaya is famous. Other famous items are balu shahi from Harnaut, motichur ke laddu from Maner, peda from Kesaria, pirkia which is made of flour and khoya, which is famous in Basupati and villages nearby, kasar, a dry sweet prepared of coarsely ground rice during the Chhath festival, thekua, malpua, kurma and so many others.
निरहु हवे हमार निरहु हवे हमार हमसे कि हमसे सटल रहे
Folk songs of Bihar. These songs are associated with the various events in the life of an ordinary person. For every ritual, there are special songs sung by the women folk. One will find warmth, vibrance and celebration in every Bihari marriage. The Hindu marriage in Bihar. The bridegroom arrives with relatives and guests in a procession called the Barat. Then comes the Jaimala. The bride looks her glowing best in her wedding sari. She also sports the wedding garlands, nathiya, mang tika, jhumka, darkas, payal and bichiya. The beautifully decorated wedding venue is called the Marwa or Maro. The marriage has myriad rituals like shagun, tilak, puja matkor, abtoni, aam mahua biya, parichavan, nirakshan, kanyadan, sindurdan, chumavan and majhakka. At last, there is the Vidai ceremony where the bride leaves her maternal home and proceeds to start a new life with her husband.
जल्दी जल्दी चल रे कहारा सूरज डूबे रे नदिया लचकत डोलिया डोलावे गोरी के छुई मुई दहिया जल्दी जल्दी चल रे कहारा सूरज डूबे रे नदिया.
Childbirth is a time of great celebration.
जुग जुग जिया सुललनवा भवनवा के भाग जागल हो ललना लाल होई है कुलवा के दीपक मनवा में आस लागल हो.
Chhati Har happens on the 6th day of a newborn's life. Women sing sweet sohar songs joyfully.
समना भदौआ में बरसा के दिनवा चले गोरिया लागल धान के रोपनिया चले गोरिया.
Ropani Geet. It is sung during the sowing season. There are some other folk songs such as Purbi, Chaita, Bidesiya, Birha, Kajari, Jhummar and Nirgun. There is also the tradition of war songs called Bir Kumar. Apart from folk songs, Bihar has deep roots in the classical form of Indian music. The classical music in Bihar is a form of the Hindustani classical music. Bihar has produced musicians like Bharat Ratna Ustad Bismillah Khan and Drupad singers like the Maliks of the Darbhanga Gharana and the Mishras of the Betiya Gharana. There is a great tradition of folk songs started by Bhikhari Thakur, the renowned artist from the Bhojpur region. The sweetness of Bihari music finds its place in classic Bhojpuri films as well. Noted singers like Muhammad Rafi, Lata Mangeshkar, Mahendra Kapoor, Alka Yagnik, Udit Narayan have sung Bhojpuri songs. Bhojpuri films were known for their well-thought-out stories, great acting and beautiful songs. Nadia Ke Paar, made by Rajashri Productions, was a super hit film of its time.
दिशा में लेके चला रे बटोहिया ठहरे ठहरे ये सुहानी सी डगर जरा देखन दे.
Dagabaaz Balma, Ganga Maiya Tohe Pieri Chadhaibo, Dangal, Dharti Maiya are some of those gems.
सोनवा के पिंजरा में बंद भइल हाय राम चिरई के जियावा उदास.
खाई के मगहिया पान ए राजा हमरी जान ले बका.
With passing time, Bhojpuri music started losing its true identity. One has to admit that vulgarity has crept into modern Bhojpuri music.
हालू तिरंगा गोरिया हो फार के जा झार के बाकिर ओई है तवार के जा झार.
Though some new generation artists like Manoj Tiwari, Dinesh Lal Nirahua, Vyas, Kalpana, Pavan Singh are trying to bring out the lost glory,
गोरिया चांद के अंजोरिया नियर गोर बाड़ू हो तोहर जोड़ केहू नहीं खेबे जोड़ बाड़ू हो तोहर जोड़ केहू नहीं खेबे जोड़ बाड़ू हो.
simple lifestyle, peaceful coexistence, great hospitality and closer community bonding are the hallmarks of the Bihari people. Now, Bihar is changing. As recruitment to the Indian Administrative Service, the toughest exam is concerned, Bihar is in second position, leaving Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh far behind. For the period 2011-2012, Bihar was India's fastest growing state. It is said, success is how much you bounce when you hit the bottom. Defying all negative statements and preconceived notions, Bihar is once again rising from the ashes like a phoenix.
भेजलू ना कहूँ खबरवाए परदेसी